What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Rails and Mass.
They're back to the Boston Terminal, 2:57 in the PM. Is that all correct? Over. One more. Dave, I'll be in position in case there's a pickup. By the way, we got Snowplow. Me and Lion want speed. What is the draw?
At the time of recording, it's Wednesday, January 28th, 2026 at 2:57 in the PM. And we're back at Boston Engine Terminal. Before we get too far, I'd like to apologize for any shakiness in today's video. I was going to do a calibration before taking off, but when I heard the plows were on the move, we didn't have time for that.
Give us a minute while the door goes up.
This was my very first time seeing these plows on the move. And even though we're not on the main line, it's still very nice to see them in action.
Until TMS 938, over. Call terminal, this is 938. L10 for me, over. L10. That's correct. Paradise. We're train, door open, caution protected. Let's stop bringing it west. Good for 8. We're 16. Power, that 111 switches off power. Oh, okay. 111 switch and the 125 switch back on power into being control of bungalow. Over. Okay, so you got control from over there now, over? Over. Alright, roger.
Now as soon as that last snowplow clears, the door begins closing. It's time for us to go check out the other side of the building.
Batman. I know you're assuming the positions, looks like we do have a pickup. Roger, thank you all in position. Good. 1246, stop, you're all one. Dispatcher, doing 360 and 60 over. Dispatcher, deal with train 16, 60, 50. We're on the rear of the train, get the Chevy west of Broad and running down 14, terminal's gonna switch to the road. Roger, 1660, hold that. That is on the rear of the train, you're okay to make a reverse move west of. Roger that, 1660, okay on our reverse. John, why don't you go ahead and give me a stop real quick? Alright, reverse train, okay to continue west. Still about 3 more. 3 more counts. 5-3. Yes, sir, it's the milestone. Yeah, that's commissary 67 on track 5. Roger that. I'll keep you posted when we're done. That's training 1246 over. 1246. Jolena? No 9. Repeat that. 709. Master, switches in tower 1. As soon as I get it back, I can figure it out. Roger, it's going to be Rule 241 to train 1246, bandit 1709, permission pass stop signal, tower A, band 1, mainline 1, proceed south to station track 1, over.
Rule 241 and 1246 with the 1709, pass stop signal, band 1, main 1, proceed south to station track 1, over.
Roger, that is all correct. Please call clear tower A when you are in station track 1, over.
1246, that's a Roger, will do.
Kill train 142, please call clear tower A once you are in station track 10, over.
Roger.
Keep it coming west. Ten west. Stop work train.
Oh, it's 1246 terminal.
Answering.
Looks like I'm lined for track 2, over.
Alright guys, with the wind now picking up and the temperatures well below freezing, that's it for today's video. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates.
I'm clear of the switch, but it looks like I'm lying for station track 2.
As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.